This is question 23 and it's the last question on the paper, and it's a question involving ratios and proportions and fractions. So we can see that we've got 4 types of card in a game, and we're told that each card has either got a black circle, a white circle, a black triangle, or a white triangle. And we're given the ratio of the number of cards with a black shape to the number of cards with a white shape. So that's 3 to 5. And we're also given the ratio of number of cards with a circle to the number of cards with a triangle, and that's 2 to 9. So what we've got to do is we've got to express the total number of cards with a black shape on them as a fraction of the total number of cards with a triangle on them. So there's a couple of ways of doing this. The way I'm going to do it is look at what fraction of the cards have actually got a black shape on them to begin with. So we can see that the 3 represents the black cards in that ratio, and the total number of parts there is 8 because we've got 3 plus 5. So what we can do, we can say that 3/8 of the cards have a black shape. And using a similar approach, we can also say that since the 7 represents the triangles, because that's what we're looking for there, then we can see that 7, and if we add the ratio together, we'll get 9. We can see that the fraction of the total which have a triangle on them is 7/9. So 7/9 of the cards have a triangle. So in order to compare these two, because they've both got different denominators, it's difficult to compare them at the moment. In order to compare them, I'm going to make them both have the same denominator. So the 3/8, I could find a common denominator with the 7/9 if I multiply top and bottom of the 3/8 by 9 there. So if I times that by 9, times that by 9, what I'll get is 27 on the top, and I'll get 72 on the bottom. So that's the same proportion there as that, just written with a different denominator. So that's the ones that have a black shape. I'm going to do a similar thing to the 7/9. So 7/9 there. What I'm going to do, times top and bottom of this one by 8, so we still get 72 in the denominator. So if I do that, I'm going to get 7/8 is 56, and then over 72, and that's the ones with triangles. And we want a fraction which has got on the top of it, we want the black shapes over the triangles. So we're hoping to come up with this fraction. And so what we can do, because the denominators are the same, so that's in 72 and that's 72 there, then the actual fraction of black to triangles is going to be the top of this one, 27, over the top of this one, which is 56. And that's it. So I hope that's been helpful to you, and if it has, please give our video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel to see more of our videos. Thanks for watching.